But we are very optimistic that we will be able to finish by end of day today yung ating pre-marking. Maganda yung naging progress kahapon and even this morning. So at least dun sa marking station ko, the one that I'm handling, I think we will be able to finish by 3-4 p.m. I also consulted my co-counsels sa defense team, and sila din, they're very optimistic, no, na matatapos din nila yung marking, kanya-kanyang marking nila. So yeah, hopefully matapos talaga. Of course, hindi natin alam kung magkaroon ng complications sa mga documents this afternoon, pero we're very optimistic na matatapos by end of day today. Kung ma-extend man, baka tomorrow, yun na yung latest siguro.
Sir, nakalista si Mary Grace Piatos at si dating Ombudsman, Deputy Ombudsman Carandang as witnesses ng prosecution. Anong implication nun sa inyo and anong gagawin po niyo?
Wala naman po. Sa amin naman po, yan naman prerogatiba ng prosecution kung sino yung mga witnesses nila. So definitely if they're presented, we will be ready to cross-examine them.
Sir, ano sagot niyo doon sa BIR box?
We will be filing po yung aming official and formal response doon sa manifestation ng ating mga kasamahan, mga kaibigan sa prosecution. We are planning to file that by tomorrow.
Wala ba, sir, kung kaya?
Kung plan nyo matapos today yung pre-trial, ano pa po ang point kung by tomorrow magpa-file nyo ng response?
Well, ayun naman po ay hindi naman ang decision din po niyan ay sa impeachment court. So if hindi naman, wala naman pong nagiging implication. We will file our comment by tomorrow.
Pwede na po ba pa rin kayo today, sir?
Today, I think yes, but we're hoping na na hindi na kailangan umabot sa ganun.
What are the articles left for marking, sir?
Both articles are still there, Articles 1 and 2. But as you know, nagkaroon ng 2 marking stations na. 2 groups na yung sa Article 2 and yung sa confidential funds naman, isang araw pa. Naghiwalay-hiwalay na talaga yung mga groups. Marami nang ginawang mga marking stations. So that's why we're